Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something almost every language learner deals with: confidence. Specifically, how to speak up, speak clearly, and even give presentations in a language that isn't your first one. If you've ever felt your heart race before speaking English in a meeting, frozen up during a presentation, or avoided raising your hand in class because you were scared of making a mistake, this episode is for you. Let me tell you a story first. A few years ago, I had to give a university presentation in English. I had memorized my entire speech, word for word. Everything was going fine, until someone asked a question I hadn't prepared for. My mind went completely blank. I froze. I just stood there, not knowing what to say. After that, I avoided speaking up for a while. In meetings, I'd let other people answer, even when I knew the answer myself. But eventually, I realized something important. Avoiding it wasn't fixing the fear, it was just delaying it. So what actually changed things for me? First, I stopped trying to sound perfect and started trying to sound clear. Those are two very different goals. Perfect is about avoiding mistakes.
Clear is about being understood. Second, I started practicing speaking out loud, even alone. Just talking to myself about my day, describing what I was doing, thinking out loud in English while cooking or walking. Third, I permitted myself to make mistakes without treating each one like a disaster. And here's a truth that really helped me.
Native speakers make mistakes constantly too. They just don't notice their own mistakes as much as we notice ours. Once I accepted that fluency isn't the same as perfection,
Speaking became so much less stressful. Now, let me share a few specific techniques I use before speaking in public. I always prepare a strong opening line, just the first sentence. Once I get past that first sentence, momentum carries me through the rest. I also focus on breathing slowly before I start. Voice shaky, which makes you sound less confident even if your English is actually fine.
and when I do make a mistake, mid-sentence, wrong tense, forgotten word, whatever, I don't stop and apologize 5 times.
Paraphrase, or I keep moving forward. Stopping to correct yourself constantly actually draws more attention to the mistake than just continuing naturally would. So if you're watching this and you want to build that same confidence, here's my advice. Start small. Talk to yourself in English while cooking. Record a 30-second video of yourself explaining something simple. Speak more, not perfectly. Confidence comes from repetition, not from becoming flawless first.
So remember, confidence in a second language doesn't come from eliminating mistakes. It comes from getting comfortable making them. Speak more, worry less, and give yourself credit for every single attempt. If this episode helped you, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.